welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing SUGARPILL's second eyeshadow capsule palette, which is this one right here. We're going to be reviewing the packaging, pricing, performance on the eyeshadows, do a couple of swatches, and then do a final look. So we're going to be doing this look that I have on now. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to be reviewing SUGARPILL's second capsule eyeshadow palette, which is this one here, this beauty right here. All right, so I couldn't believe that they were coming up with the second one, which makes me now think, are they going to be coming up with different color story versions with the capsule? That would be great if they did. Came out with pink, orange, what now? Maybe burgundy, greens, who knows? But I'm liking it. I like the pink one, and I'm liking this already just on the packaging itself. So let's open up this eyeshadow capsule, second one. So again, it comes in plastic, and it does have the names on the back as well. So on this one, we'll start from the top. It's you have Eyeside, Elevate, Moonshine, Retrograde, and Retrograde's a blush, Double Shot, Skyrise, Young Blood, Metro, Insomniac, and Karma. Very pretty names. I'll give you guys a closer look at the eyeshadows, just right here. Beautiful, aren't they? I love the color story. They did such a great job. You see a lot of browns, oranges. Well, I mean, not really deep oranges, but like pastel orange. Really pretty, lime green, yellow, green. I mean, these are all spring colors, I think. Could be summer colors too. Really pretty. So I'll give you guys some swatches. All right, so I'll start off with Side, Elevate, Moonshine, and Double Shot. Pretty, right? Let's see how they look here. They look really nice. Really pretty. Okay, so now we're going to swatch Retrograde, Skyrise, Young Blood, and Metro. Very pretty, very vibrant. Wow, beautiful. Just kind of what I expected. Oh, I like these. Very, very pretty. I'm loving that green. Yeah. And we're going with the last color, Karma. Really pretty too. It's like a light, subtle orangey. Very light. It's pretty. So I ordered this eyeshadow capsule palette through Ulta.com Cosmetics, and I believe the pricing was like $42, but with tax and all that, it came out to about $47 and some change. So the pricing is just the same as the other one. Yeah. So the packaging, very nice, just as nice as the other one. I like their color story, but we'll have to see how it performs. Hopefully, I kind of anticipate that I'm hoping it'll perform just as good as the first one, which I kind of don't have any doubt that it would. But, you always kind of, you never know. Sometimes there are collections that where the eyeshadows do perform differently. So let's just see how this one will perform. And I'll let you guys know along the way. So if you're ready for the quick look, then stick around. So I'm back to do the look. So the colors I'm going to be using for this look will be Double Shot, Retrograde, Moonshine, Side Eye, and Metro. So as I'm putting them on, I'll let you know which colors I'm putting where in the eye. So I'm using Metro, which is the yellow color, as a transition color. And I'm doing the windshield wiper moves, but I also want to do circular moves to kind of make sure that the color blends kind of high above the crease line. So the next color I'm going in with on the crease as well is Side Eye. And this one's a little sort of like brown with a little bit of pink. And I'm doing windshield wiper moves, but I'm not going as high as I did with the yellow on the crease. So now I'm going in with Retrograde, which is that blush color. So you can see there's fallout. That's okay. It is kind of light, just because it's meant as a blush. Moonshine on the crease as well. So the next color I'm going in is Double Shot, and I'm putting this on the outer corner. And I'm also putting this on the inside, on the inner corner of the eye, sort of making it like a halo look. So I decided to use Elevate on the center of the lid, just because it has some metallic. And I want some shine to be in the center of the lid. So I'm going back in with Double Shot on both sides of the eye. And just trying to really blend that. I'm using a MAC 240S, which is a bit of a bigger brush, and that is to kind of help blend out the crease color. Give it a nice blend. So I'm going in with Young Blood on the lower lid. I'm also going in with Double Shot on the lower lid as well, but on the outer side of the eye. So now I'm just going to blend out the color on the lower lid. Just give it that blending effect, blurred out. Now I'm going to blend out the upper color of the transition color, the first one I put in, which is that yellow one. So now I'm going to put on eyebrow bone color, which is Brulee from MAC. All right, so I'm almost done. I'm going to wrap up this look by putting lashes, some blush, just finishing up with small touches, and I will be right back with the finished look. Okay, so I am back with the completed look. Guys, I like how this look came out. I came out really nice. The colors were very blendable, just like in the first palette. The quality is really good. Vibrancy in the eyeshadows. They are kind of powdery a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I kind of expect that from many of the palettes. And like I've said in some of my other videos, all I really care is that the color that's in the pan stays the same on my eyelid. So yeah, the eyeshadows and the blush, good quality. I like the color story. Color story's very nice. Got browns, oranges in there, greens, deep green, yellows. I think it's perfect for spring or summer. So it's a beautiful color story that they put together. And you can definitely make any type of look that you're looking for, because you've got some strong colors, you've got some medium to light colors. So I think you've got everything in there. So with that said, this concludes the video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click the notification bell. And if you like this tutorial and you like the review, please give this video a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Until then, I will see you in a different video. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a good rest of your day.